Hello, hope y'all are having a great day. It's June 25th, and today I'm back, of course. Today I'm going to be talking about several different things, mainly just one or two. And pretty much, for most of the video, I'm going to be looking at the tropics, and at the end, I might kind of touch on generally like some storms that we have ongoing in the Midwest. Uh, yep, let's go ahead and get started. Hope y'all had a great day today. Hope y'all had a great day yesterday. But let's get into the video. So this is our 5-day tropical weather outlook from the National Hurricane Center. We can see we have a little elongated box here. That is a area where we have a 60% chance of formation for the next 5 days. So pretty good chance there within that area. And then up in the Gulf of Mexico, we can see we have a 20% chance of formation in that little area within the next 5 days. Yeah, let's go ahead and take a look at some of the models here. This shouldn't take too long. This video probably will be like the shortest video I've had in a very long time. But start out by just looking at the GFS. So this is the 18Z run. I'm gonna look at several different runs to be safe here, but we can see. So I'm thinking that is our wave right there. And we can see generally what that does is it doesn't do a whole lot, but once it generally gets into the to this area here, then it actually really starts to get its act together on the GFS, and it pretty much just heads straight to land. This continues going straight west, doesn't really do any turn or anything. Now on the 12Z run, we'll just look at the past two runs just to make sure we got consistency here. That's very important. So we can see that is our low right there. Pretty good consistency in the GFS between the 18 and the 12Z. Take a look at the 06Z, and it's again pretty good consistency again. And time frame we'd be looking at really when this I think this could get its act together would be Tuesday or Wednesday next week. And definitely Thursday and Friday, maybe Saturday as well. But that's that. I want to take a look at the European here. Which we can now do on tropical tidbits, which is very nice. So we can see that is our wave right there. A little bit slower moving, it looks like, actually. And it gets its act together a little bit quicker. And then we see a pretty similar situation, though, as in between, as with the European and the GFS. So it really strengthens a lot in this region here, and then pretty much makes landfall on both of these models. Now, due to this being almost a week out, like 6 days, there's still a lot of changes that could occur, but it's kind of some pretty, I'd say this is very good consistency, actually. I'm pretty surprised that the European and the GFS actually are similar on this. That is the 12Z Euro, though. We go back to the 00Z, and similar once again, strengthens and generally makes landfall around the Friday-Saturday time frame. And yeah, right there is 987. I'm really surprised how similar, or how like the consistency we're getting here. It's pretty good. Yeah, it's pretty good for this range. 5 days or 6 days actually. My bad. Yeah, that's pretty much that. I don't really think there's a whole lot to look at with it. I'm not really gonna make it go into in depth with this at all because I think it's kind of straightforward generally what we're looking at right now. Let me take a look at the GEFS here. The GEFS is much different than the operational GFS. So we can see it generally has this kind of heading into, doesn't really have it strengthening a lot. But we'll see that. I don't know. Let's take a look at the Canadian. Well, the Canadian's even similar to the GFS and the Euro. Okay, that is interesting. And I think there's a pretty good bet at what we could be looking at. But due to this being 6 days out, I'd still say that we could be looking at some slight changes to like the general direction this heads. like maybe slightly north, maybe slightly south. But 6 days out, then we have a pretty good understanding of what this could do as it generally heads west. Like how it could strengthen. Probably right around in this area, or it could strengthen a little bit, but they're good, pretty good. But it'd be something definitely to watch even before this. But yeah, and then up in the Gulf, I don't think any of these models actually have anything happening there. But it's not what I wanted. I wanted the GFS. None of these models seem to have anything actually happening in that area, but definitely wouldn't say it's like out of the question or anything. Because the National Hurricane Center still believes, but yeah, not gonna really look at it anymore. Pretty straightforward, I'd say. I want to keep this video pretty short for y'all, also, but yeah. So now I want to talk about ongoing storms. We do have a slight risk, I think, for Illinois. It's mainly in Illinois. It might be in a couple other states, like barely though. It's pretty much all in Illinois. I just want to take a look at I want to take a look at the satellite. Yeah, so we can pretty much see our front right there. Get a good sector. Perfect. All right. Yeah, so we can see we have our boundary right here. It looks like some storms blowing up in Iowa and Missouri there. You can see those going up. And those are continuing moving east. We have a slight risk across Illinois. Right now, we can see the storms do look pretty good, mainly linear as of now. But yeah, pretty much all I got for y'all today. Pretty short video, but hope y'all enjoyed it. I hope y'all all have a great day tomorrow. I might be back tomorrow, or I might be back on Monday. But yeah, thank you for watching, and hope y'all have a great Sunday. But yeah, bye-bye.